Hello everyone and welcome to this new Reblog tutorial. Today we'll see how to install Reblog on your next JS landing page in just a few minutes. As a reminder, Reblog is a multilingual CMS optimized for SEO. Reblog allows you to get closer to your users through Google or ChatGPT. First step, sign up on Reblog and retrieve your API keys. Go to reblog.sh, create a new project, enter a public URL and a local URL, or leave it blank, and select one or more languages. I recommend setting English as your primary language if you have a SaaS or a classic blog, as a significant portion of your traffic will quickly come from your English articles. Then click on Create. Once the project is created, go to API keys and create a read-only API key. Next, to test, we'll create a test article. Go to your project, New Article. Select a language, enter a title, a publication date, which can be in the future, a handle, for example, I'll use guides/demo/YouTube, a meta title, and a meta description. Then click on Create an Article. Once your article is created, set it to Published, add a category, some content, and the article will be ready to display. Then go to your Next.js project. The Next.js project I have is the classic Create Next.js app. Next, download or clone the Next.js project. Reblog multi-lang example. Once downloaded, we'll follow the instructions on GitHub. First, we have copy and paste the Reblog folder into the src folder of your Next.js project. If you don't have one, simply create it. Then we'll add the alias in tsconfig or jsconfig if you've decided not to use GS. Next, I'll run this command. I'll add the style in my layout, add the sitemap by copying the folder into my app folder, and I'll add upload care to my image provider. Then I'll add my environment variable and copy the guides folder into my app. Finally, if I go to my app, I'll find my guides section at the URL/guides, and I'll be able to read my guide. It's up to you to build a header using cursor, etc. One last thing. I recommend completing this 8th step. It's important for SEO. Go to your layout.tsx file and simply add the component. That's it. You have an SEO-optimized blog ready to be published. If you're using Vercel, don't forget to import the Reblog API key. Second part of tutorial, how to add a new language on Reblog. In the first part of the tutorial, we added French as a second language. Now we'll create a French guide linked to our original English guide and add code to read the French guide. Step 1. Create a French guide. Go to Reblog, navigate to your guide, and create an article with the French language. I'll use FR Guides Tutorial YouTube as the handle, but you could potentially use whatever you want. If you prefer FR/Guides Francais/Tutorial YouTube, that's 100% possible and optimized for. Step 2. Link your guides. Once we've created the French guide, we'll link it to our English guide. The linking is not automatic and will be in a future update. After linking is complete, I'll publish the article, add a category, content, and we're good on the Reblog side. Step 3. Update your Next.js application. Now go to your Next.js application. Copy and paste the fr/guides folder from the example into our application. Then you can directly access and view the article. You can then create a French menu and an English menu. Feel free to look at the complete code in the example and ask Cursor to use it as a reference. That's it for this first Reblog tutorial. Don't hesitate to leave a comment or talk to us via our chat bubble if you need help. See you soon.